imagine finding a flash drive dropped by a time traveler.
Oh, that's a wild thought.
Right, you plug it in and you're probably expecting, I don't know, a standard software patch. Maybe like a routine changelog for some database framework.
Yeah, something boring. Just standard utilitarian developer notes.
Exactly. But instead, you open the file and you get this blueprint for a system that claims to have, well, mathematically solved the concept of truth.
Which is just a massive claim.
It's huge. You're looking at this hyper-structured, incredibly cryptic data drop addressed to a user named Abraham, and it's complete with this bizarre signature. Just 3 emojis, an astronaut, a technologist, and a cup of coffee.
It is such a phenomenal artifact. I mean, if you look at standard development logs, like we were just saying, they are so utilitarian.
Yeah, totally dry.
Right. They are about bug fixes and memory leaks. But this document, this canon report for a system initially called FMG13, which later becomes FCMG13, it reads like a forensic manifesto.
A forensic manifesto? I like that.
Yeah, and the sheer audacity of those emojis alone sets the tone. I mean, you have the astronaut representing the exploration of the latent space.
The great unknown of the data, right?
Exactly. Then the technologist representing the architectural hardening, the actual building of the system. And the coffee, which, in developer culture usually signifies runtime fuel. But here, it really feels like a nod to the grueling multi-layered processing required to even parse this data.
And parse it we will, because that is exactly what we are unpacking for you today. Our mission on this deep dive is to trace the evolution of FMG13.
From the very beginning.
Right, from its earliest unmapped state in version 0.1 all the way to a system state so locked down, so mathematically rigid in version 0.3.2 that it boasts a literally flawless ability to separate verified fact from digital noise.
It's quite a journey.
It really is. But before we even get into the architecture, I feel like we have to talk about the delivery mechanism, because this isn't just a PDF they emailed over.
Oh, definitely not.
The source tells us this is a highly specific package containing a markdown report, a plain text version, and an accompanying zip file. And the entire payload is explicitly formatted to be ingested by another AI.
Specifically, Notebook LM.
Yeah, to facilitate a handoff to an entity named Maya.
The meta layer here is what makes this so fascinating to me. I mean, the creators aren't writing this for a human systems engineer.
Oh, not at all.
They are structuring this really dense technical canon specifically for an LLM's context window.
Which explains the weird formatting choices.
Precisely. Providing both a markdown and a plain text version is a highly defensive data structuring tactic.
Because markdown keeps the structure, right?
Yeah, it preserves the hierarchical logic, the headers, the nested lists, the semantic weight of the text, while the plain text acts as a fallback to ensure no hidden formatting characters or, parsing errors corrupt the ingestion process.
So they're pre-engineering the prompt environment for Notebook LM.
Exactly. They're leaving nothing to chance.
It's almost like they don't trust the receiving AI, which is kind of funny considering they're using an AI to process the data.
It is a bit ironic, yeah.